In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the TikTok region/country not showing and how you can actually change that so that you can fix this issue. So as you can see right there, normally when you would go to manage my account, you could change it, but it's not showing up. So changing the region/country is not showing up, and that's because TikTok has a new update. So you're probably using the TikTok update. You can check that by going to the Play Store or App Store, and you can then click right here. And then if you scroll down, you'll see version. So I'm using the 15.9.20 version, and on this version, you can simply not do that. So what you want to do, you want to go to a browser and you want to search for TikTok 15.1 APK. So this will only work on Android if you search for APK. I'm not sure how it works on iOS. You can download, you can try and download files for iOS. So for example, click on APK mirror and then scroll down. And then let's see, right there you'll see all of these different versions, right? So you'll see 15.9.20 and you want to find 15.1. So if you click on more, get rid of the ads, you simply want to find 15.1 APK in this list. You want to install it and you can then change the region/country, and that's how you can fix this issue. Now please keep in mind that in order to do this, you probably have to delete the original TikTok from your phone. You can always download it back after you've changed it, but please keep in mind that you can lose your TikTok drafts because a lot of people complain about that. But yeah, keep in mind. So I just wanted to mention that. I hope this video helps you out. Please consider leaving a like if it did, and make sure you go ahead and leave a comment if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.